posted a video a few days ago asking for some advice from Rope Talk. I didn't get a lot of response from a lot of the community out there, but I was wondering if the hardness of this rope is indicative of it going bad. And then yesterday I happened to look at the little packet of rope information that came with the Multiline, and it did say that hardness is a sign of the rope weakening and it should be replaced. Now I have 3 lines that are pretty hard. My first electric, my second electric, and the one that came out of service last week was the Grand Drape, the main curtain. That one was pretty rock hard, and these ones feel pretty rock hard. I've got a camera up top to watch the head block and listen to that sound, and I've got this down here. What we encountered a couple weeks ago was that this electric and the second electric were making vibration sounds, and they seemed to be originating from the location of the head block, which made me first think that, well, maybe the head block is got some bad bearings and is overdue for replacement. But after we took out that rope that was really hard, it got me thinking that if this rope is super hard, it could be with all the weight of the electric as it's going over that top 16-inch pulley, that it could be cracking, crackling every time it passes. And that could be the cause of the vibration, which means I got to change this one out and the second electric ASAP. So we're going to do some tests. I'm going to run it and we're going to see what happens. First electric coming in. And there I got that vibration. I can feel that vibration right now. It's vibrating through the entire rope as I'm moving, and that's as far in as I can come. Going out. And there I can hear the vibration going through the rope. All right, we're gonna put it in our spike. I'm going to put a car jack underneath the tension block, and I'm going to take the tension off of the rope, and then we're going to see how flexible it really is. It feels really, really tight compared to the 2A electric, which you can see is much more flexible. At least the same age, although these may be a little bit older, or it could be just that these particular lines, first electric and second electric and the main drape, were under the most weight and stress for the last 20 years. So they have aged prematurely. All right, we're taking the tension out of this. It's actually not as tight and stiff as I thought it was going to be. It's possible that it's actually more tight and stiff on the top half of the rope, the part that has been going over the pulley the most, and that has received an inordinate amount of extra stressors on it. Yeah, it's not as stiff as I thought it was going to be. Okay, the rope is definitely much harder up here. It is definitely rock hard up here. It's not flexible at all. Look at that. Yeah, this top half of this rope is definitely stressed beyond recognition. Woo, that definitely needs to be replaced.